Once again, Tom Miller, December 22, 2025. It is a Monday. He's going to take this tree down, the one that's hanging way over here. Got some arms that way. I think I'm out of the clear. So he did first chop the small pieces so it wouldn't damage my fencing there. But he's going to happen. I might also have him cut this tree down over here. There's one over here that's hanging over too. It's just going to give me trouble over the years. He's a lumberjack. So he cut a wedge out already down here. There it comes. Get out of the way a little bit. Check it out. That sound is just glorious. So it comes down. So anyway, I'm in the back of the paddock. There's the Jeep, Mopar, and the Mustang, and the first horse trailer. I need to check this fence out a little bit here, guys. The horses are eating from the back of the house, obviously, eating from the round bale. They're making awful quick work of it. I don't really like that so much. Things gotta last for a long time. The part is you don't want to get that chainsaw stuck in the tree either. Too cool. Alright guys, this video is getting too long for a short. See ya!